Uh, Thank you very much. The media team, that is none other than the KYEMA TV. My name is Kasigas Francis, and by the God's grace, I happen to be the interim guilty president of this mighty institution. Some of you may see me holding a broom, and you ask yourself, why is the interim guilty president holding this broom? But as per the country, or as per our prime minister, decided that in Uganda we should have a national cleaning day. As us, the KYEMA, GRC, and the media team, we decided, or we opted to also observe the cleaning day by mobilizing some students. We also make our college clean and the outside community clean. We have done this for the first time just to put in some morale within the students. As we observe in our videos, the attendance has not been so good, but we promise that by the next Saturday or at the end of the month, due to this motivation that we have put into students, we shall have a bigger attendance, and the cleanliness will be so marvelous within the college and outside the college. Then on the other thing is that as we have been cleaning, we have also observed some challenges whereby we have lacked some cleaning materials like gloves, whereby we would reach in a certain place which is so tidy and would require some gloves. So it's our request, or as it has been stated by as the National Cleaning Day, either from the district through our administration, we get some cleaning materials like gloves and other cleaning materials such as brooms and whatever, such that we can make our communities clean. I encourage all students outside there, cleaning our places, it's not a crime, it's not a burden to us, but it's making our lives healthy. They say a clean mind in a healthy environment. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.